Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss a step-by-step approach to become a data scientist. In my previous videos, we discussed about why it is so difficult to become a data scientist. Here we will set up a path to become a data scientist before our offices reopen by next year. Let's jump on it. So you might have learned about data science in bits and pieces, or you may not have any idea about data science. Still, if you follow this approach, you will become a data scientist by end of next 6 months. So in this 6 months period of time, every week you need to dedicate 15 to 20 hours of your time, and you need a computer with a network. Everything else is going to be free if you follow this approach. If you are doing academics in data science, or if you are learning data science from any institute, I'm not discouraging you guys. Classroom learning is always better because you get to interact with your peers, discuss with them, and you will get to clear your doubts with your instructor. But online approach is different. You need to do everything on your own, solve your problems on your own, but this approach will definitely crack that. Are you going to learn everything about data science in next 6 months? No, but you will learn enough skills to perform a data scientist tasks. Data science learning is a journey. Even the doctors, scholars, or the masters in data science still learning the data science. Once you are in, you are always a scholar here. To start with, the first step is you need to analyze the data, understand the data, edit the data, and summarize the data. So to do that, learning Excel is very critical because most of the data scientists even now use Excel to summarize their data, see the initial findings, and edit their data and visualize their data so that they can draw initial inferences from the data so that they better diagnose the data and they fit a better model for the particular business case. You need to give 2 weeks or maximum 3 weeks of time to learn the Excel. So this is how you can learn Excel for free. There is a YouTube channel, chandu.org. Here this guy explained simple way to learn the Excel, and he covered almost everything that you need for a data science project. Here is another YouTube channel. This guy covered how to execute basic statistics starting from descriptive statistics, t-test, z-test, chi-square test, ANOVA, hypothesis testing, even simple linear regression, and how to execute those things in Excel. I think if you follow this, you will learn both like basic statistics as well as the Excel. Statistics is the glue that holds entire data science. So learning it at one go will be very difficult. That is why I planned this approach in a way that you will learn statistics in a way that will not be difficult for you. So to do that, there is another blog called Khan Academy. There is a basic statistics course. Follow this course and there are exercises given in it. Practice them in Excel. This way you will learn statistics, basic statistics as well as Excel, and you will be ready for the next step.